Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by planning an education timeline that fits your goals and timeline. Complete 2 to 4 years of pharmacy coursework at an accredited college. Apply to PharmD programs after meeting prerequisites and GPA requirements. Enroll in a 4 years PharmD professional program with integrated clinical rotations. During your PharmD, accumulate approximately 500 internship hours working under pharmacist supervision. Track experiential hours carefully and meet school and state hour requirements. This timeline prepares you for licensure exams and entry-level practice positions. Complete clinical rotations that cover community, hospital, ambulatory, and specialty pharmacy care. Gain hands-on skills in medication dispensing, patient counseling, and interprofessional collaboration. Prepare for the NAPLEX to demonstrate clinical competency in pharmacotherapy and medication management. Study for the MPJE or applicable state law exam to prove legal knowledge of pharmacy practice. Consider a 1 to 2 year residency for specialization in clinical pharmacy or to increase competitiveness for hospital roles. Schedule exams early to align with graduation. After passing required exams and meeting internship hours, apply for state licensure to practice. Submit background checks and official transcripts as required by your state board. Once licensed, complete continuing education to meet renewal requirements and maintain competence. Many boards expect roughly 15 hours of CE annually, though requirements vary by state. Explore career tracks in community pharmacy, hospital systems, pharmaceutical industry, research, or clinical specialties. Pursue board certification or advanced training to expand responsibilities and improve career advancement opportunities.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.